the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, power windows, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.